Welcome back to our recording for next steps for our case study, step number 5 and step number 6. As you know that we have already completed step number 4. If you remember, the step number 4 was when we look at our material, right? We saw that we have zero material. We don't have anything available in our inventory. So in order to have something in the inventory, we will purchase our inventory, which is our chain lock, from our supplier. So we will continue for next process. Okay, imagine you are responsible for purchasing, and you saw that there is a need to purchase a chain lock. If you look at our screen and see what do we have in our warehouse. If I run this transaction MD04, I can see that my material was this one, which we just created in our plant Miami. This was basically step number 4. As you can see here, we have zero material, right? So this was step number 4. So now step number 5 says if you have zero material, logically we should purchase. So in order to purchase this material, right? So what we will do is someone will make a purchase request, or we call it purchase requisition, right? So since we don't have enough in our material, right? We don't have a material, it is zero. So what we will do is now someone should make a request to purchase this material. So this is what we call it creating a purchase request, which is our next step. Step number 5. Create a purchase requisition, step number 5. How to create a purchase requisition and steps. Remember, for which material? Chain lock, my material, which I just created. For that one, we have to purchase now that material. How to purchase it? By creating a purchase requisition. How to create a purchase requisition? So again, if you follow in handouts, everything is there, right? This is menu path is there, transaction is there. So this is the transaction which we will use to create a purchase requisition, right? This is step number 5. And I will copy the information from there. If you don't see anything here, you can say document overview on or off. Maybe you can see, maybe your screen is like this one. So just make sure it is on. Document overview is on, and on the left side, you have this kind of screen. So I'm going to mute my voice for a little bit time, and I'm going to put the information as mentioned in the handouts. Make sure that this is shown to you. If it's not shown, sometimes it is like this one, or this one is not shown. So how can you, maybe your screen could be like this one. So you can just click on this one to show the header data. If it is not shown, you can click on this one to look at overview screen. In case if it is not shown on your screen, that's how you see them. Just enter these information here. You will have your material number CHLK 2200, delivery date, which is 3 months from today. So today is 21 March. So I will put 21 April, 21 May, 21 June is the delivery date, because you give 3 months at least for delivery. Okay. Plant is Miami, and storage location. Okay. Plant is, you can search it from here. For example, Miami, this one here, this one. We are looking for this plant, MI0s. You can MI write it down. Storage location is TG00, or you can search from here. It's the same thing, but it is also available here. If you click here, you see so many different. So we are looking for TG, which is TG in Miami. Remember, don't put anything else. This one here. Don't put this one. This is because you have your plant. Plant should be Miami. So this one here, this one, Miami Trading Goods. This is our storage location, means our warehouse, our Masoda, where we are going to keep it. Purchasing group is North America. You can search it from here. So these information you need to enter, and then press enter. Yes, if there is any mistake, you will see it here. It says maybe it does not exist in plant, or if you don't see any error here in the bottom left side, then it means everything is okay. If you see an error or something here, a red sign, right? So it means there is something wrong with your data. So once you have seen it, it means everything is okay. Okay, so now my purchase request is ready. If I press save, I'll get a number. I'll say save, and in the bottom left, you'll see a message. Note down this number. We are going to need this number, purchase requisition or a purchase request. We are requesting purchasing department to purchase, and this is the reference number for that purchase request. I copied it with me, right? So now if I want to show you, let's say I go back and look at my status. If I go and see step number 6, which is same transaction like step number 4, I'll look MD04. You'll see how the screen will change. Remember what was shown before and now? See, before only stock 0. Now what you see here that we issued a purchase request. This is my purchase request number that I am going to expect 200, and it will be placed in my storage location, this one, right? Still it is quantity 0. Actually still we don't have it. There is no available quantity. This is 200 will be purchased. And what is the status? That 200 material, for them a purchase request has been made. So now we finished with these two steps, step number 5 and step number 6. This was step number 6. So step number 6 is finished. As you can see, you need to have these two lines after step number 5 and step number 6. Thank you very much.